Oh, okay, y'all. Let's do us some solving rational equations. So what I'm going to do is, in each of these cases, I'm actually going to rewrite the first step, just to give myself a bit more room to work on this equation. So we start off, and I have the 3 over x plus 1 minus 2 equals 0. Now, what I want to do is I want to clear out the fractions first. I want to get rid of all the fractions. So to get rid of this fraction, I'm going to multiply everything by x plus 1. Now, you'll never be expected to do as many steps as I'm going to do, but I just want to make it very clear what's going on here. So I get the 3. I get the 3 bracket x plus 1. Sorry, my pen is acting a bit funky today. All over x plus 1 minus 2 multiplied by the x plus 1, and that would equal the 0 multiplied by the x plus 1. Now, looking right here, we see, lo and behold, I get a cancel, and I get a cancel. Isn't that crazy? So now we have 3 minus, and this 2 is just going to distribute over to each of these. So I get minus 2x minus 2 equals 0. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1, so I get negative 2x minus 1 equals 0. From there, I add the 1 to both sides, and I get negative 2x equals 1, or x equals negative 1 all over 2. Now, very, very importantly right here, if we look at our very first step, we see that x cannot equal negative 1. So I just need to take that and I need to check it against our answer to make sure that they're not the same thing. If they're the same thing, we cross it out because it would be an extraneous solution, but they're not, so our answer is x equals negative 1 over 2, and I'm going to put a little star by it to show how awesome that is.